All right, guys. Hello. Coach has to get low today to get on this camera. This is 1/14, so January 14th or 15th. So Happy New Year. We are back, and it's great to see you guys. And we're going to get right into it today. We are doing a game today. We're actually doing 4 games, but the first game is called Catch 7. All right. And like I said, it's January 14th, 2021, January 15th, 2021, depending on what day you have PE, okay? So let's get to it. Our units are throwing and kicking. Our standards are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and those are just all about making PE fun and skills that we're going to be using today and respecting others. Learning target, to do my best and have fun. And our higher order thinking question is, what did you do during holiday break? So you're going to get to talk to Coach Arnold today, or the grown-up that you're with, if you're watching this yourself, about what you did during holiday break. We're just going to have a little fun with it today. And our activities, watch me as I demonstrate each activity. There are 4 activities today, so I'm going to go fast. But they're easy, so you guys are going to get them. They're going to be no problem, okay? So let's get to it, all right? The first activity today, and every activity today, you're going to need 5 things that you can throw. I've got 5 stuffed animals that belong to my daughters that I'm going to be throwing, and I've got them inside a laundry basket. And, of course, you could use any kind of basket or box or bowl or whatever. That's up to you. But a basket works really good for this. And soft things to throw work really well, okay? All right, and of course, if you have balls, if you have, types of balls that you want to throw instead of stuffed animals, that you can throw anything you want. But it needs to be something that's not going to break. And something soft would be best so you don't break things around the house if you miss, okay? So the first activity is called Catch 7, because what you're going to do is you're going to pick up the first one. You have to catch it 7 times and then lay it down before you get a point. So I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 1 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 2 points. And then you just keep going like that, okay? And then let's use a little time-lapse photography and pretend that I've already got all of them out, okay? And I've already done all of them. Now, once they get to here, I've already caught them all 7 times. Now I do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I put it back. And then you just keep, and that's another point. So you just keep doing like that, okay? So you're going to keep going like that, okay? And let's play that game for about 10 minutes. So pause the video, play that game for about 10 minutes. All right, how many points did you get? Okay, good. So now we're going to play game number 2, which is shooting them in. We're going to shoot them like basketball, okay? So all you have to do, this is super easy, is I'm just going to get all my stuffed animals. And if I want to, I can just put them in my hand like this. Or if that's too hard, you can lay them down. And I could shoot from here. That's 1 point. I can shoot from here. I shot 2 in. That's 2, 3 points. I can come over here and shoot. That's 4 points. Oh, I missed that one, so I don't get a point for that. Okay? So let's play that game for about 10 minutes. Okay? Pause the video now. All right, how many points did you get in that game? Okay, good. So now we're going to play Kick Them In, okay? So what we're going to do is you're going to do what you were just doing, except instead of shooting, you're going to kick them. So what you want to do is just kind of put your animals kind of spaced out around the room. Lay your basket down like this so you can shoot them in. So they look like a soccer ball goal, and I go boom, there's 1 point. Boom, 2, 3, 4. I missed that one. And 2 are not in yet, so I don't have points yet. And now the dog's in, and if I want to do that, then I just take them out and play again. Okay? So now, let's play kick them in. So pause the video. Okay? How many points did you get for that? Okay, good. So now we're going to play the last game, and it's called Land on Top. And the reason it's called Land on Top is because what you want to do in this game, you're going to take your animals or whatever you're throwing out, and you're going to turn the laundry basket over like that. Okay? So you've got a top to it. And now, if it does this, oh, I don't get a point for that. But if it lands on top and it stays, that's 1 point. The dog landed on top, that's 2 points. Oh, the pumpkin monster fell off, so I don't get a point for that. But the horse stayed on top, so I've got 3 points, okay? And then I would just take them off and play again. All right, so let's play that game for about 10 minutes. So pause the video now. Okay, how'd you do? How many points did you get? Okay, great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to ask our higher order thinking question for the day. I hope you enjoyed those activities. So now, this is for either you to talk to Coach Arnold about or for you to talk to whatever grown-up you're with. What did you do during holiday break? Just having a little fun with it today, let you guys share out. So I hope you enjoyed. So talk to Coach about that or the grown-up that you're with, and I will see you guys next time for Online PE.